Hello guys, and welcome back to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how I export my videos from Camtasia 2021 version after I finish all my video editings. So let's say this is my video recording that I've just made on how to swap the mouse buttons. So let's say I finished everything and I want to export it to the best quality that you can have, and then you can have a preview of it and then import it or upload it to your YouTube channel. Okay, so after I finished everything, all I do is to come over to export over here and you just click on export and you click on local files. Of course, you have the option to export using different kind of channels. Okay, you can do screencast, you can export through the Nomia, or you can even do the techsmith overview. You can export to Vimeo and you can export to YouTube directly from here, or you can export to a Google Drive if you have one, and you can just click on this and link it up, or you can do custom production. But for now, I used to do, for this video, all I do is to do local file export. Okay, so we click on local file export, and over here you have the option to either export in the default menu, which usually comes. You can have the custom production settings. Usually this is what is to come as a default setting, the custom production settings, which is going to be in this dimension and it's going to be in this format. So, but I used to go for the highest quality, which is the MP4 only, and up to 1080p, which is usually the highest quality. Okay, so I select this. You can go to the next and specify the folder and give it a name. For example, I say swap buttons, and then you can specify the folder location. You can just click on this to navigate to that folder where you want to save it. So for example, I want to save this on pictures, and I just make sure that I'm on pictures and make sure the name is correct, and you can click on save. And what this means is it's going to organize produce files into subfolders. You can decide to uncheck this and you will have your folder as a single video document. Okay, so let's say we will follow this, organize produce files into subfolders, and then we can just click on finish, and it's going to start rendering the video directly. So once it's finished the rendering, then you can have a preview of it to have an understanding of how it works. So let's see after the preview how the video is going to play. Hello guys, and okay, so it has just finished. Mentorship. In today's video, I want to share with you how to swap the mouse button. And you can see a preview of it. Once it finishes, give you a preview and you can click on the finish button over here. But before then, you can check on the video properties that you've just created. So this is the content duration, this is the content size on your drive, and then this is the video dimension, 1728 by 1080p, and this is the total dimension. Okay, so this is the frame rate and the key frame rate and all that. So you can see the quality, the video quality is 60%, audio bitrate is 128 and all that. So you can see the details, and once you click on finish, you can decide to exit and save your document. Okay, so in a nutshell, ladies and gentlemen, this is how to export a video from Camtasia in the best quality that is available in Camtasia. So if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, kindly remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.